delicious chicken shawarma in your home, in your oven. You can make this recipe to the best. You need very simple ingredients for this recipe. I have 8 pounds of the chicken thigh, boneless, and the chicken breast. We will stack this on the bamboo skewers. If you look at the thigh is paper thin kind of thigh, boneless. The breast is a little bit on the thicker side. Just slice them from the middle. So we need just like this thin fillets of the breast. We will put the meat here because we will marinate this meat. Very simple ingredients. Everyone has this. We all have these kind of ingredients at home. This is the meat tower. We will be marinating it and then we will be baking it. It will take around 45 minutes. Let's marinate this delicious meat. So you need 2 tablespoons of the coriander powder, all on top of it. I have measured it already. 2 tablespoons of the cumin powder. 2 tablespoons of the red chili powder. 1.5 tablespoons of the black pepper. This is mild pepper paste. 1, 2, and 3. This is king of the dish for the shawarma. Salt, we will take 2 tablespoons of it. Regular kosher salt. We will take fresh garlic cloves, 1 cup of it. They go in your blender juicer, and same amount of olive oil. 1 cup of garlic, 1 cup of olive oil. This is the blended marinade for it. It goes all on top of it. Fresh lemon. Let's mix this shawarma meat. So here it is, all in our baking sheet. Our shawarma is completely marinated. For now, let's put it back in the marinade bowl. So take biggest onion you can find, leave 1/4 inch space and slice it. So this will be the base of it. Here it is, bamboo skewers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our tower. It sits right here. We will stack the meat right on top of it. Let's turn on our bake oven. We'll put it at 475. It's on the pre. Okay, here you go. Let's start adding the meat. Make sure you put it all into 4 skewers. Just like that. So here you go. This is what you will get. If you see all around, this is all shawarma meat. And the tower do shake. Let's add the topping on it. I mean the onion, the remaining onion. It's gonna lock its spot. So our tower is locked and loaded. Beautiful shawarma tower is ready. Let's bake it in the oven at least for 30 minutes at 475. Just make sure you have enough space in your oven once you're adding your tower. Let's check back this guy after 30 minutes. Alright, so our shawarma is getting cooked right there. Let's prepare the salad which goes in the wrap. Onion. Here are 2 fresh tomatoes. This onion is strong. Take a lemon. We need fresh lemon juice for it. Dill weed, 2 tablespoons of it. Olive oil, 6 tablespoons of it. Salt, 1/2 tablespoon. Mix this up. So the salad is ready for the shawarma. Now let's make tahini sauce for it. Tahini paste, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, 2 tablespoons of the honey, 1/2 tablespoon of the salt. let's whisk this. So our delicious thick tahini paste is ready. It's been 30 minutes. Let's grab our delicious chicken shawarma oven baked. Here you go. Whoa. Sizzling hot. Just grab it carefully at this point. Ta-da! Delicious chicken shawarma oven baked is ready. Here you go, delicious chicken meat. Here you go, we will put our shawarma right here. Let's take some tortilla wraps. So this will be our soft shawarma. Shawarma meat. Cover it. Delicious, homemade, perfect shawarma is ready. Delicious chicken shawarma, homemade, with few ingredients, under 1 hour is completely ready. A piece of butter. Let's chop some more meat. Here is the butter crisp on it. Here you go, taste test. Wow, man, this is so good. Make this delicious shawarma, make the wraps, it is awesome. Subscribe the channel, I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. It's so good, let me enjoy this.